Hello, this is Eric Windheim, Building Biologist and Electromagnetic Radiation Specialist. We have completely Y-shielded this whole house. This is a remodel. Actually, we just Y-shielded this room. And since we have the floor removed, we also put down this radiant barrier insulation, which is taped up against the corners. And over here, you can see the grounding plate. And then this is the circuit out to the earth rod. And as proof that this is working, right now we're seeing 0.47 milliamp of current that we are intercepting through this whole system. And over here, originally we had 2.9 to 2.9 volts per meter. With the grounded foil, it's 0.2, 0.4, and 0.4. And we do have some portions of the house that aren't shielded, and not all the light sockets are shielded. But by and large, we brought things down to the no concern range. And here's something else interesting. We are looking at the amperage going through the grounding cable, and I'm going to disconnect the connection. Tilt it that way a little bit more for better light. Okay, we're at 0.77. I'm going to disconnect the grounding cable. It goes to 0. So when you're connected, you see current through your grounding cable to your earth stake, and when you're unconnected, it goes away. So that's success. Thank you for watching.